you this look, which reminds me of old school Mickey Mouse eye drawings. Or it could be a double cat eye. So what I'm going to be using is this color. I actually got this from Avon, but I don't know if they make it anymore because it was a while back. I think it's called Aubergine, but it's just like a grayish pewter color, and I'm going to be putting that on the lid. But I'm only going to be going, I guess, to about the end of where my eye stops, going straight up, because this liner actually goes farther out. So I'm going to stop before the end of my eye, so I'm not going to blend it out this way. Okay, so normally you can use a piece of tape for this to get the straighter edge, but since I can't find my tape, I'm just freestyling it for you guys or whatever. I'm going to be using this color from Bare Minerals called Brunette, and it is also a sort of grayish brown color, and I'm just going to be dotting that on top. Okay, so to get this more definite, I'm going to be using white eyeliner at the end to make the skin look lighter than it actually is. And I'm just going to blend it out slightly. And if you want the end to look sharper, I'm going to use black eyeliner to straighten that out, or like I said, you can use the tape. And then I'm just going to go ahead and go over that with the brunette. Okay, so now for the fun part. I'm going to be using Almay's liquid liner. I really like this because it's matte. I don't like it when my black liner is shiny at all. So I'm going to go ahead and line that really quick. Okay, so I'm going to be going up towards the end of my eyebrow this way. But I'm kind of going to be starting from here. I don't know if you can see how this kind of goes up this way. Straight this way. So I'm going to be kind of doing what looks like an acute angle. So it's going to start from here, coming up. And I'm going to connect it at the bottom. I'm also going to draw in this part right here so it just doesn't look like it comes off the eye and it's just stuck there. So that's pretty much the whole look. And I guess it just kind of reminds me of Mickey Mouse because he has like the circle and then the little like cutout, like kind of like a little circle of cheese. I don't know if that makes sense or not, but hope you guys liked it, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free, and it keeps you up to date with my newest videos.